Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for November 26. Construction works to improve water supply to Portmore residents started with the laying of the Portmore pipeline project last Thursday. The project involves building a transmission main from the Rio Cobre pipeline in Caymanas across Mandela Highway, along Municipal Boulevard and onto the existing Marley Hill Reservoir at Brayton.
These works are expected to facilitate the increase in the existing supplies to Portmore by 3 million gallons of water per day, which will allow for more effective flows through the distribution network and reduce the levels of non-revenue water.
The Portmore pipeline project costs approximately $1.2 billion and is expected to be completed by the middle of next year. An ambulatory chemotherapy unit has been opened at the Kingston Public Hospital to provide enhanced care for cancer patients. $6.5 million was spent to refurbish and equip the former Charles Moss ward to house the facility. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says improving hospitals' capacity to offer cancer prevention, screening, early diagnosis and treatment is a critical part of efforts to improve overall health care. Chairman of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, Littleton Shirley, adds that the opening of the unit brings the KPH one step closer to revolutionizing the level of treatment given to cancer patients.
The new unit will now offer chemotherapy service to patients on an ongoing outpatient basis, freeing up at least 18 bed spaces which would have normally been reserved on our wards for patients assessing this service each week.
The Chase Fund has contributed some $93 million towards the post-Hurricane Sandy rehabilitation efforts. CEO of the fund, W. Billy Heaven, says repair work has already begun on some of the 27 early childhood institutions that were damaged during the hurricane. $45 million has been committed to replace roofs and refurbish structures affected by flooding. The fund has also committed $20 million towards the re-roofing of the Anota Bay Hospital and repairs to the hospital's accident and emergency area and pediatric and maternity wards. Another $20 million has been provided to the local government ministry to assist with emergency cleanup operations, while $8 million went to the National Solid Waste Management Authority for cleanup activities in areas vulnerable to rat infestation. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has called on the Bureau of Women's Affairs to partner with the Social Development Commission and host community meetings to promote better parenting. The Prime Minister was speaking at the Bureau's Advocacy Forum last Friday to promote the 2012 International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. The day was observed on November 25. Mrs. Simpson Miller said these community meetings should facilitate discussions on issues of parenting as well as violence against women and children.
And I think if we do that, it will go a long way. I think we need action. Just discussing and talking about without action. And as Doc says, we need solutions. We're working on legislation. At the same time, parents must take responsibility.
And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller and Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton are encouraging persons to support Brand Jamaica this Christmas. They made the call while touring booths at the Jamaica Business Development Corporation's signature Sorrel pre-shopping event on the weekend. Both expressed the view that Jamaica had the caliber of local products that could make special gifts for the holiday period.
When I walked and I looked at the display, each display unique in itself, very exquisite, and I believe that we can find exquisite Christmas gift right here. And I want to encourage all Jamaicans to give support to Brand Jamaica.
And I believe that were we to patronize them for the Christmas season, where it's a very personal, very intimate, in a very intimate way. We have products here and goods that I believe will be very distinctive, very attractive, very Jamaican, very appropriate.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.